Let's cook. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So as you can see today, we're playing with a Blackstone. Yeah, that's right. I recently was borrowing my father-in-law's 22-inch, which is more like a travel size Blackstone, and I loved it. But we moved and I had to give it back, so now that we're moved and settled in, so we went to the store and we picked up the 36-inch griddle station. This, I believe, is one of the newer models because it comes with the hard cover, which was important to me because this is going to be out in the elements. There's also a magnetic rack so you can put your spatulas on. There's also hooks, which I believe come standard on all the Blackstones. And then this one has a paper towel holder as well, so that's going to be really cool. Definitely going to make good use of that so we can have quick cleanup out there while I'm cooking and you know, while we're stir frying stuff and searing stuff on the top of the grill. So looking really forward to it. The main objective is to see how hard it is for one person to put this together. Full disclosure, this is not a sponsored ad by Walmart or Blackstone. I did pick this up from Walmart. It was $297 plus tax. The gentleman who helped me get it out to the vehicle did help me load it into the truck, as well as my brother-in-law helped me unload it. But I want to see how hard it is for one person to assemble this. It says quick and easy assembly, 30 minutes, so we're going to find out, and I'm going to time-lapse this and record it for you guys and just give you some pointers and some hints and tricks as I'm putting this together, because I've done no research. This is the first 36-inch that I've ever touched, so it's going to be all new to me. So I got a toolbox behind you for whatever tools I might need. I don't even know if any are seriously needed. Maybe a couple screwdrivers and ratchets, I'm guessing, but we'll find out. But let's crack this open and see what it's all about here. So it's pretty much disassembled on the floor. I'm going to clean up all the packing material, put that in the box so I have an open space to work. So pause here, magic of editing. This area will be cleaned up and ready to go. All right, here are my parts. Got the cooktop, knobs and hardware. Looks like propane stuff. I've got handles, caster wheels, drip tray, more handles, side tables, main unit, another side table. There is the lid. This looks like the shelf, and right there is all of my trash. Yep, so cleaned it all up, ready to go now. We're gonna put you back on the tripod, see how long it takes. Oh, we're gonna open up the instructions so we can figure out how to put this thing together. Not afraid to admit, instructions are okay. They'll make it go by a little bit quicker. So let's get them opened and get you back on the tripod and put this together. I remove the griddle body from the package and lay it upside down on a smooth flat surface. Help with another person. Unfold the legs. Install 2 wheels assembly with the 2 small thumb screws. pull the legs out so I can.
Oh, wait, you might have to pull your legs. Pull yours.
There we go. There's no way I could have done that with one person.
No, because I mean, I got my foot against it.
Exactly. Where it goes.
Yeah.
All right, we just finished. It's 3:35. So, it took me with Pop's help a little over an hour and 10 minutes. I think if I would have read the instructions a little bit better, we would have not had to redo a few steps, but all in all, it's pretty solid. Got your magnets here, which is cool. Your hooks for your utensils on each side. You have your cover and cover simply goes like that. And all I got left is one washer. Pretty good, I'd say. So now it's a matter of getting the propane tank filled, because I'm not sure I have propane, and then getting this bad boy seasoned. So there you go. About an hour and 10 minutes. Hope this helps. Read the instructions, follow them. They're going to help you. Don't be like I did and just, skip through and figure you can, figure it out, because I had to do a couple things over again. Otherwise, she's ready to go. Get some propane. Let's get it seasoned and coated and ready to cook on. I'm happy. So there you go. All right, so the thing I failed to mention was the only tools I needed to put together were a Phillips head and a flathead. Literally, that's all I needed. So props to Blackstone for making this pretty easy. And again, the elapsed time was an hour and 10 minutes with a little bit of help from my father-in-law. So read the instructions. There's a couple things we didn't have to do twice if we would have read the instructions a little bit clearer. But, we're men. We don't follow instructions. But overall, there's your 36-inch Blackstone from Walmart. So you get the tank filled, get these stickers off, and then get this seasoned. So I'm looking for many great meals to be cooking on this. And as one of my favorite Blackstone YouTubers says, hungry hussy, those are some good groceries. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like, hit subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, see ya. Right there. See if we can get our first light. All right, open that. I hear propane. Yeah, buddy. We are live. Yes. Nice blue flame. That looks good. I'm gonna go inside and get some oil, get this thing seasoned. I did pick up a 3 set of compact cooking set. These are the spatulas. So we got one wider one and 2 standard size ones. Obviously I haven't cooked with these yet, so I don't know much about them. They are the Blackstone brand. The orange goes with the color of the griddle real well, but they seem narrower than the other spatulas. It is cool because they do come apart and fold for more compact storage, and I just put them up there for now. But again, I haven't used them yet. I'm not sure if I love them or hate them yet. I think it's cool that they fold. How handy will that be to me? I don't know. But this is the Adventure Ready Flex Fold 3-piece cooking set, and again, just opens up and you can snap it in. Show you. So they just unsnap and then fold, just like that. So again, and they look narrower than what I'm used to, but they got the Blackstone logo embossed there. I like the coloring. It matches the grill with the orange, but again, I don't know, it feels like they're not clicked in properly. If you click them in and they're like that, they're kind of wobbly. You just got to make sure they're flush like that, and you're good to go. So again, I'm going to try to cook with these, see if I like them. The one thing I don't like, real quick, is these don't hook here. They are not big enough. The hole right here, it's not big enough to fit here. So that's why I have them on my magnet. So I'll do a review on these after I use them a bit, but just put them there for now. I guess if you're cooking, you could throw them there, or like most guys do, put them on the griddle. So all right, let's check this, see how it's making out. So we'll go ahead and use that to scrape the crap off of the grill when we're done cooking. There you go. The eyelet is big enough that it fits right there. So that's good. Looking good.